Hey everyone, Gil at Gray Man Prepping. Well, I got another unbagging, but before I do this, I want to talk about one couple times back here. When I got the one that had the mouse jiggler in it, well, it looked all nice and everything. Plugged it in, went to use it, and it didn't do what it was supposed to do. It didn't do anything random. It was just constantly moving. You couldn't even use the mouse while it was on it. And so I immediately sent it back that day, ordered a different option. That option worked, and it came at a two-piece. I'll show you here in a second. So I ordered another two-piece. That's this one here. So this one here is now going to be the unbagging of the second unit here. So what this is a tiny mouse jiggler, and it worked great. So this is actually a unbagging and a product review, and it has three different settings for the movement of the mouse, of the cursor, and it works really good. And I'll put the link to this down below in the description. If you don't see it down there, remind me, because sometimes by the time I edit and everything, I forget to include it. So, but yeah, it has a I can pop. Let's see, where's the tape? I know it's got a tape. Oh, there's it is. It's got a tape over the end here. If I can get that off here, there we go. And then pop this open. All right, so I got one of them here. So you have one of them is an on-off, and the other one is number 1, number 2, number 3. Has an LED readout here to show you which one you're on, and it works great. I mean, you know, I put it on number 3. It's so barely perceptible of movement of it, but it's every now and then. If I sit there and just watch, I see it go. And it's got a pause between, so it's not moving where it interferes with your movement around to do stuff, and it works really great. So yeah, so now I'm going to be adding this to the two of the other computers I got. So when I'm doing stuff, so they quit shutting down when I'm trying to watch a long video, because when watching a long video, even though it's going out, and the computer tries to go into sleep mode. So. But it also keeps other things from other interaction problems, like keeping the when I'm doing bank statements and stuff. It keeps the page open, so I don't have to. They won't pop up that little thing. You know, are you still here? Do you still want to work? And so this is really great. All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, including screwed up computers, because there's always a solution.